Today I'm going to use my red popcorn kernels that I've had for years. Hopefully they pop well. I'm using 1/4 of a cup, a plain brown paper bag, and the seasoning mix. Let's get started. Okay, first we're going to pour the popcorn in. Then we're going to shake in. Am I shaking in enough? Shake in some of that mix. That ought to do it. I'm going to fold the bag over twice. I'm doing this with one hand, so. Okay, it's folded over loosely. Stick it on in the microwave. Oh, I might have it too high. Oh my goodness. I'm going to press the popcorn option on the microwave and see what happens from there. Seconds left. Popping, going strong. It doesn't smell burnt yet. Or does it? I think it smells burnt. I think I'm ready to take it out. Still wants to pop. Wonderful, beautiful. Let's see what we got. It's kind of low, but it did work. And indeed it did. And now some people like to spray some kind of butter or something, or I prefer mine with no butter, with seasonings, but let me tell you, seasonings adhere better with a little oil or butter on the popcorn.